Hello and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this lovely part exchange we've had in, which is the Volkswagen Touareg 3-litre diesel R-Line Tech in silver. This car's done 14,372 miles. If you're interested in the vehicle, please call 01785 899 446. So I'm going to give you a 360 tour around the vehicle and then I'll show you inside the car. So to start with, you have LED headlights, which gives the car a real modern exterior, along with high beam assist. You have 20-inch alloy wheels, giving the car a stunning finish. Going into the back of the vehicle, you have plenty of space there for 3 passengers, along with ISOFIX brackets, which is practical for families, and a centre armrest, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as possible. You also have a powered tailgate, which is really useful if you have your hands full. And you do have plenty of space there in the boot, and can also put the seats down if you do need extra room. You have an electrically deployable tow bar, which saves time and effort attaching one, and is great for towing things like caravans, boats and jet skis. This car has the R-Line body styling kit, along with privacy glass and roof rails. Going into the driver's side, you have R-Line tread plates, a leather steering wheel and a gorgeous ebony leather interior with the R embossed onto the seats. So that's the end of the 360 tour, and now I'm going to show you the technology inside the vehicle. On your right, you have memory seats, which is practical if there's several people driving the vehicle. You also have electrically folding wing mirrors, which is helpful if you're in a tight space. It can prevent them from being damaged. Different controls on your wheel. So you've got voice control, allowing you to do things like changing the radio, and cruise control, which is perfect for long journeys and motorway driving. On the screen in front of you, you can view different options such as your assist systems, map, audio, telephone, vehicle status, your off-road option, your driving data. In the middle, you have a big touchscreen where you can see your sat-nav. You can zoom in and out to get a better understanding of where you are. Bluetooth, allowing you to connect your own music. Bluetooth also allows you to make calls whilst on the go. Heated front seats, which are definitely a luxury, especially in winter. And you also have a dual zone climate control, ensuring everyone in the car is happy with the temperature. Different charging ports, along with wireless charging, which is great for long journeys. Different driving modes depending on the weather or where you may be driving. And in your armrest you have some storage along with another charging port. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see you've got a rear view camera and sensors, which make it so much easier. Stepping back outside the vehicle, thank you for watching this video on the Volkswagen Touareg 3-litre diesel R-Line Tech in silver. We have many different finance packages available, so if you would like a personalised quote or to book a test drive, please just call 01785 899 446. Thank you.